welcome to NiftyHMS. Today we are going to see how you can download free assessment form for ophthalmology. So this form will be useful for all the ophthalmologists as well as opticians to do their assessment for their patients or their customers in terms of optician shop. So let's check it out. You need to copy the URL that's given in the description in your browser. Once you click on that URL and you go to the page, you will see the resources menu. Click on drop down menu, free download, and once you land, click on ophthalmology, and then you will have that ophthalmology assessment form in different languages: Netherlands, English, Hindi, French, Spanish. Click on English language and you will see a PDF icon. Just click on that PDF icon to enter the valid email address over here, because the credentials and the PDF file will be sent on your email. Enter your name, and once you click download free PDF button, it will show you the message that you need to check your email for inbox or spam folder if the email lands in the spam folder. So let's just check the email. We have the email now. We'll click on please confirm your email address link, and this will open up the PDF for the ophthalmology assessment form. So this PDF has all the details that you need to assess your patient. You can download it, you can print it for your day-to-day usage, and this form will be useful for your assessment effectively. Thanks for watching the video, and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.